How to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So Instagram does not let you unfollow everyone at once, and that's by design, in order to prevent spammy behaviors and bot abuse. But if you're still determined to clean your Instagram followers, here's what's real, what's risky, and how you do it the safest way. So there's no unfollow all button on Instagram, not in the app, not in the settings, and not even in the dark corners of developer mode. So you want to go ahead and avoid using third party that promises you to unfollow everyone, because these often violates Instagram terms of services and can trigger temporary action blocked. They might also steal your login info and can get your account permanently banned. So, the safest and manual method is to go ahead and open up your Instagram. And once you open it up, you want to go ahead and log in to your Instagram account. So once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on following list. And just like so, you want to go ahead and tap on this three dot again, then tap on unfollow. You can go ahead and start with the least interaction with option, as it's a category Instagram gives you in the following list. It's faster and makes the pruning process more targeted. Some users often use browser extension for Instagram cleanup, but again, this is not supported and comes with risk. So manual unfollowing is safe but time consuming, and that is the only way you can unfollow everyone on Instagram. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.